So I talk about this all the time, but the reality is the way that we pour beer in general is just wrong. Using a cylindrical glass, filling it to the top, allows no headspace. It allows nowhere for volatiles to gather and mingle and create a flavor and aroma image for us. We can't get our nose into that glass. And so I do recognize that I differentiate often between drinking beer and tasting beer, but really, we never go to a restaurant and expect a wine glass filled to the top, and we certainly wouldn't expect it to be in a shaker pint. And the same with whiskey, unless we had a specific purpose in mind, that had nothing to do with tasting it. And so I think that it's about time that we start pouring beer properly in stem glasses. I'm very partial to these teku glasses, but it doesn't really matter. But a stem is pretty essential. A bowl that curves in is pretty essential. And filling it no more than halfway, 2/3 if we want to get aggressive, is how we should really be pouring beer. Down the middle, raise a bit of foam, and that's about as far as I want to fill it. Sometimes I go a little more if I don't feel like having multiple pours. I'm not getting ripped off because I'm still going to have the whole thing. Nitro beers are a little bit different, so share them with a friend. Cheers.